Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Yeah, I know this our channel has been very inconsistent. I literally only have 2 videos, but if you guys are looking at the YouTube short side of things, it's been very active. So yeah, I just haven't been making videos. I've been creating drawings and I've been posting it on Reels, TikTok, YouTube Shorts, but yeah, I'm gonna do more videos. Don't worry about that. Anyway, enough of that. So before the video starts, I need to show you guys something. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You guys see this? Can you guys see it? Yep. I made this. I made this drawing. Bro. So I'm selling art prints now, guys, and if you guys are interested, you can check them out on my Etsy store. I'll put the link in the description. The link is always gonna be in my videos descriptions. And yeah, I'm starting to do more. I'm starting to do prints now. So if you guys want cool posters and stuff, you can get them now. There'll be more different posters soon to come. Right now, this Gogeta one is the only one out right now because I just finished it recently. I have it also as a digital wallpaper. So if you guys are interested, yeah, there's gonna be posters. Yeah, so if you guys want to support me, you guys can get a poster and hang it up on your wall, or just tell your friends and stuff about the Etsy store. And if anybody is interested, I mean, they can always get a cool poster. I try to make them as cheap as possible, also for you guys, because I think you guys would like it, and I want you guys to have some posters. So yeah, that's just something I wanted to announce. There's also going to be different things. I'm going to be making phone cases. I'm also making different types of posters. There'll be I'm gonna make framed posters soon. I'll make mouse pads. There's already computer wallpapers up on the Etsy. But yeah, stay tuned for all those things that will be coming to the store. The link is in the description, and I'll also post a comment too. So yeah, anyways, let's get back onto the video. Oh yeah, one thing I completely forgot to mention. The posters come in different sizes too. This one is 16 by 20, but there's also 18 by 24, and then there's also 20 by 30, which is pretty big. It's about double the size of this. Not really double, but it's much bigger than this, and it's like it'll look really good up on a wall and stuff. So yeah, stay on the lookout for more posters, all different sizes. You guys will enjoy it. Decorate your room, put it up over your PC. You can put it on your walls, anything. Yeah, and you can choose which size you want. So that's all I gotta say. Now let's get to the video. So you're here because you want to learn how to draw anime eyes, and I got you. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to draw different types of anime eyes. We'll draw girl eyes, we'll draw guy eyes, we'll draw the different types of eyes, and I'll show you how to color for some of them, not all of them, because sometimes it's super detailed. But yeah, I'll show you guys how to sketch out and draw the eyes. So let's get started. So first, we're gonna draw the easiest eye for this video, which is gonna be eyes from Dragon Ball Z. So first, how we're gonna do this? First, you wanna start off with one little line, just like that. Got a little line like this. This is gonna be the beginning of the eyebrow. Okay. Next, we're gonna make. Oh yeah. So next, we're gonna make this Nike logo type of shape. Also, for the materials I'm using, you can use anything. Okay. I'm using a 0.7 millimeter lead pencil, and a normal eraser. Yeah. Also, make sure when you're drawing, you draw lightly. I have to draw a bit harder to make it darker so the camera can see. But when you're sketching, you always want to draw lightly. Next, so we got the Nike little logo here. Next, we're gonna go back here, draw a little line down, a little diagonally, just like that, and we're gonna draw a line kind of symmetrical to the eyebrow, but it's gonna be a bit higher. It's gonna be this curve. Just like that. And then what you're gonna want to do is just connect it. There we have the eyebrow. Obviously, this is like not all that, but what you're supposed to do, you could kind of curve it a bit more, and then here, let me see if I can make one really quick. Yeah, that's how I kind of draw the eyebrows. It's a little bit different. Not everyone does it. Sometimes you kind of gotta draw the eyebrows a bit longer. It depends. It depends really. If you draw them longer, it's easier. But that's obviously if you're drawing more detailed. Anyways, next we're gonna draw the actual eye part. So first we're gonna start with the left side, which is the shorter side. Just draw one line going just in a little bit. Okay, not all the way. Next, draw another line that's a little close to the end. It's gonna be a bit longer. There we go. Then we just connect it with the little curved line here. Obviously, since it's a sketch, it's a little messy. And then you just want to draw the pupil. And there we've got the Dragon Ball eye. And if you want to shade it, this is usually how you shade it. You draw a little sideways U here, and then color the inside of the eye. And there's shine over there. We can do the same thing here. If you want to make it look a bit more serious, we draw the line more curved and closer to the eyebrow, like this. And then obviously, you have to make the eyes kind of long. And then connect it here. It looks more serious like this. And then it depends if you're drawing the face. Also, when you're drawing the face, you add usually this to make it look more serious. Just that's the forehead or above the eyebrow part. But yeah, that's usually Dragon Ball eyes. Okay, the next eye is actually the next simplest eye is just your basic male anime character eye. Alright, next one is gonna be a pretty basic female eye. It's gonna be I mean, obviously I'm doing it last, so it's gonna be the hardest one out of these 4 eyes. So we're gonna start with this upside down U, and it's gonna be kind of big. And then the right side of the U, depending on which side the eye is on, the outside side is gonna be a bit longer, as you could see. And then what you're gonna do at this is the top half. Next, you're gonna want to draw a straight line a little bit down. And then finally the bottom half of the eye, it's gonna be a line that another upside, it's gonna be a U shaped, but a bit more it's a long U. It should look like this. Then what we're gonna want to do next is, just like on this eye, we're gonna draw another line that kind of comes out kind of like this. If you could bring it out a bit more, or kind of make it look thicker here, that's fine. But if it's not, that's fine also. It's this top part that mostly matters. Then we're going to the easiest way to do this, bring the curve from here all the way to onto this line. And then we're gonna draw the pupil. It's gonna be very big. We gotta draw the eyelashes. The eyelashes is my favorite part. So, you're gonna make lots of triangles. That's basically what the eyelashes are. Triangles that are curved. You're gonna make another curved triangle here. We'll start with the first side. Then just bring it down. Make the triangle shape. Right there. And you can leave it at that, honestly. But if you want to be a little extra, you can add one more eyelash here. And there you go. That's an anime girl eye. So these are like basic eyes that you can draw. You guys can like honestly apply like the little bits of these rules and stuff into drawing any eyes. You can draw any shape you want, but this is just like basics to help you come up with like your own eyes. Anybody can come up with an eye easily. Like I got me just a whatever random eye I just created out of nowhere, off the top of my head. It's all creativity. You guys, I'll put up a few pictures of like different anime eyes from like different anime, and you can see like how unique the eyes are. Like you can literally do anything you want to create eyes. It's crazy. Alright, so now we're gonna draw 2 eyes. A lot of people have heard this or know that when you're drawing eyes, the first eye is always the most fun, and then comes the second eye. Usually for a lot of people it's the left eye, and it's really annoying because it's just hard to kind of line up the eyes and make them look the same and all that. But recently I figured out like a way to make it at least a little bit easier. I want to show you guys how to do that. You need a base, basically, like a base. Like for me, it's this plus sign that I use to help me keep everything in place and adjust and all that stuff. So here's what we're gonna do. So let's do the basic male eye first. We're gonna first do this triangle part here at the beginning, and then instead of finishing the eye on one side, wait, we're gonna do both eyes simultaneously at the same time as we're creating. So we create this here, we create the base eye here, and try to make it the same as much as possible. It's kind of hard for me to do when I'm kind of like looking at a weird angle, but you guys can do it better by yourself. And now we got the eyes lined up pretty much. You can finish whichever eye you want first on either side, but I strongly recommend to keep on doing it at the same time simultaneously. So I'm gonna do that for this video. I think I made the left eye a little bit bigger, but obviously when you guys are doing this, you can obviously erase and retry as many times as you want. I'm not gonna keep on retrying just for the sake of the length of the video. And then obviously this part, and yeah, we got the eyes for this side. Obviously it'll take some lining up and all that stuff when you're doing the face and all that, but I'll save the whole entire face tutorial for another time. We'll do this slowly, bit by bit. Yeah, but you guys get the idea. Each side you do it at the same time as you're working on it. And yeah, that's male and female eyes. That's how you do two at the same time. That's how you keep it kind of not so weird and stuff. It's easy to do it like that. Instead of drawing the whole eye on one side and then trying to draw the other one on the other side, it's really hard to keep it lined up. Well guys, that's it. We're done with the eyes. As you can see, there's so many eyes in anime that you can draw. It's all up to your creativity and how you create and how you want to make it. It's all up to you guys. This is just like super basic stuff that you can like start off with, and it'll help you get into drawing eyes and make them better. It's all up to you. The best part about this is like drawing anime eyes is like it's just unlimited creativity. You can do whatever you want when making eyes. You can make their pupil like, you can color the entire solar system in there and make it look really nice. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope this helped. I hope you guys tune in for next time. I'll keep on making tutorials for different parts and different stuff for different tutorials. If you guys like this tutorial, leave a like and let me know in the comments if you guys want to see tutorials on different stuff. And with that being said, I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.